Have created the meta catalog and linked with the WhatsApp API number, we need to connect that catalog to our e-commerce store. For that, go to e-commerce section. In the left hand side menu, scroll down and click on storefront. Now connect a WhatsApp store. Click on this button, enter a title for the store. Depending upon the number of WhatsApp API accounts that you have in this account, you'll be able to see more channels. So if you have only one channel, it would show the channel name here. You can simply click on connect WhatsApp store. Now you need to log in with Facebook. Click on continue. Our system will fetch all of your WhatsApp business accounts as well as your Meta business account. Select the appropriate Meta business account, click on go to catalogs and select the catalog which you just created. Now your Meta catalog has been linked in our system with your particular WhatsApp channel or WhatsApp API number. Thank you.